Right, so let me show you how to clone apps on the Galaxy Z TriFold. So you can actually clone some of the apps like Facebook and WhatsApp and some other kind of apps. And to do that, you simply go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to advanced features, tap on that. And then under advanced features, you should see the option dual messenger. Tap on that, and then you can see the apps that you can clone. So it normally clones the messaging apps. So for instance, if I had Facebook Messenger, it will be here in this list. So all you have to do is select the app you want to clone, like for instance WhatsApp, tap on that button and then tap on install and then confirm, and then now you can choose whether you want to use a separate contact list for each of the apps, maybe the original and the cloned version, or you can leave this off to use the same contact list for both apps. Now, once that is done, it means you've now successfully cloned that app. So you can see now we have WhatsApp, the original WhatsApp, and now we have the cloned version of the WhatsApp. Now, the cloned version will always have this blue icon in the bottom right corner of the app icon. Okay. Now, that's basically it. That's how to clone apps on your Galaxy Z TriFold. Thanks for watching and good luck.